is in front. This number, go and sit. As soon as we landed, we sat there. Somebody with a lovely plate of champagne and orange, orange juice. The posh. Can I give you a champagne or orange? I said, we don't drink, so orange is nice. And he said, I said, honey, better get used to this one. Hallelujah. Then they came. As soon as, do you want this? Do you want that? I said, hey. And then all of a sudden they crossed the curtain from us and the other one.
That's right. So
may the Lord increase you. May the Lord upgrade you. Hallelujah. May the Lord upgrade you in any way, in any form, and in any shape. May He upgrade you. We sat down and they were running. Do you want drink? Do you want orange? Do you want this? They keep going up and I said, hey, I'll be somebody.